Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? Okay, in this session, we will continue our discussion over the My Maps application, the facility provided by Google Maps. Right. So there are plenty of things which you can do with the Google Map, right? You can draw maps showing your different geographical locations on a different span of time, and you can store the snapshots of this, right? So which we have discussed. Even as soon as you double click on this, for example, on one date, so it will ask you details. If you say yes, so these are the details that Sargodha is located here, and etc. etc. You can discuss it and you show them. And as soon as you can get back to the sheet, this sheet automatically gets hidden, right? And you can proceed to the next one. And why this green mark? This green mark, it's automatically coming, right? Why it is not coming here? Because we have not yet stored the details for this, right? So we discussed these 3 points. That's why it's not how it is being done. So this is uh, dependent on a formula which is hidden here, right? Which returns space if there is no sheet, and it does not return as a space. It returns with a 0. So if it is 0, so the green mark, it is a conditional formatting going on, right? In the conditional formatting, we have set up the rule. Let me show you the rule. The rule is that if the G2 is not equal to space, means it is something other than the space, means it is getting something from that sheet, which is specified. That the sheet is here, right? So it means the sheet is there and the details are there. That's why it is showing you in this format. And if you click here, right? So the sheet is not there at the moment. That's why it is not showing you, right? So one of the things is that. Other things we will uh, discuss how to make addition. In our previous video, we showed you there were the 2 days. So let's suppose that we wanted to change the dates already populated on the map, already used in the map, or while uploading, we use both on the same date. So we want to change these 2 dates. One is on 1st January 99, and the other is on 1st January 2000, not on the 99. So it was in the 99. What we did is that we went to the Google map like this, and let it settle down. Okay. Okay. It is coming. Okay. So here we will click the open items, right? Open data table, right? So this will allow you to make the changes, right? If you see the table, yeah, yes. So we have made the change. These 2 dates were all the same. What we did is that we did not make any change in it. We made this from 1999 to 2000. So what we did, as soon as we click in here, we go to the edit and we change it, right? Let me close it. Yeah, we change this, right? Okay, as soon as we change it, we save it. It gets saved, right? And now you have an updated version. So this is how we save the changes in the map legend, and you can then preview it, right? In the preview, you will see the latest. The map will be based on the latest update, right? So if you go and see this is the right. Okay, so you have one thing as well. But let's get back to the UAE. This is the UAE in which we did. I went to the Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and Al Ain, and Ajman. I am not sure whether I was in Ajman, but Al Ain, yes, I went to. There is a very good tea maker from the people far off location. They come just to take the cup of tea of Al Ain. So let's make the change. It is not Ajman, it is Al Ain. Al Ain, right? So let's make the change in here. So we will get back to here, and we will go not here. We will get back to further back. We will close this. So we will be here. So in here, we are going to go open the table item, data table. And in here, we are going to adjust this. So for this, we are going to make the editing, right? So what will we do? We will close it and we will edit it, right? So this is here where what is so we are supposed to do. So we need to, all right. Okay, let's close this. Okay. So we go to open, we go to here, okay, we click and we make the changes here. So I'll in. Al ain. It's a great place to go to take the train to see how people love to come there uh, just to take a cup of tea there. And he is probably a man from Pathan origin, and Afghanistan or Upper Pakistan. So they make the tea, and people love to travel hundreds of kilometers just to take the tea. Okay, so this is how we have adjusted it. Right? Okay, and this is that. So what we will do is we will verify. Yeah, this is your choose and this is Al-Ain, right? It is updated. Okay, so this is how it is updated. And in Abu Dhabi, there are so many places you can say, and UAE, all over the UAE, which is called uh, Cornish, I think. Yeah, Cornish. That means the sea is coming inside the land. You can see the sea water comes inside into the land long distance, and they have the opportunity to develop a tourist spot there, and the people come and enjoy the time there, and they have a sea view and have a good sight. And in Dubai, also you have Par Dubai area. In Sharjah, yes, it's a very good location to live. We used to pray the Friday prayers there, and my uncle, I visited my uncle there, and uh, uh, my mother's brother was also there. My father's sister, auntie, was also, I think, oh, she was in Dubai, yes, and my another uncle, uh, father's cousin, was in Abu Dhabi with family. I visited there as well and had a very great, memorable time. But he's no more now in the world. I pray for him. May Allah bless him in the hereafter for the love I see. It's memorable. I remember him, my uncle Naeem, and may Allah forgive him and bless him in the hereafter. And shower Allah, may Allah shower His mercy upon him and his family. And so very nice personality. Also, I visited plenty of places there, right? So this was a nice, and there was an official reason for me to be there in a hotel. I stayed. I was given by to attend a Microsoft seminar in Dubai. So I went there and I stayed in the hotel, and the seminar was for 1 day only there, and the rest of the time I spent traveling here and there. Also, uh, Abu Dhabi regarding this all the Dubai. Uh, mm, if it is a hard thing to remember what are the states of in the UAE, 7 states. So in our language, a word's FARSUDA, FARSUDA. If we write this, so these are the 7 characters FARSUDA, and each letter is starting with the state of Dubai. Easy to remember, FARSUDA. F for Al Fujairah, yeah, and A for Abu Dhabi, R for Ras Al Khaimah, right? S for Sharjah, U for Umm Quain, D for Dubai, and A for Al Ain. Yes. So these are the 7 states. So I want just to share it to you. I learned it from my uncle, Sharif, my mother's cousin, and he taught me this, and I still remember, and it's very interesting. Yeah, this is Al Ain. Yeah. So we went all the way from the Dubai to Al Ain to take the tea with my uncle, right? And very loving fellow, my Sharik, Shaikh, Shaikh Siddiqui, yeah, and very educated, and his hospitality of his family with me is always remembered. Okay, so this was my memorable journey on that day. Okay, so let me show you how the graph will get updated, and you will see the green mark coming in here. Okay, so let me remove this first. Okay, collapse the legend so that we have it. Now, what we do, the same thing, hold down Shift, press the window button with one hand, and with the other strike S. So this will allow you this the selection, and you can make the selection in here, and you take it like this, copy. Okay, now we are going to get back to our sheet. Let's double click on this. So it will give you the option. You wish to see the detail. There are no detail. Okay, so yes, click yes, and now you have the details because you have. As soon as you get back to here, to your sheet, this will get disappear, and the green mark is coming. That is why. Why? Because it is looking to the G position in the column G. If you see, there is a formula hidden anywhere, and you can press F2 and then press F9 to see what is it. It is 0, not a blank thing. So that's why that this conditional formatting gives you a blank, gives you the impact, showing you that there are the detail available on it, and you have discussed this part of the journey. The rest will be covered later on. Okay, as soon as you complete, once you complete everything, all will go green, and your presentation is complete. Hey, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to our quiz regarding the Google My Maps. Right. So you can make changes in the maps by opening the data table, edit and edit the desired item, and then click save, or open the data table, or opening the data table and then click save, opening the data and edit the. So the right answer is this. This gives you that. Thank you. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to our quiz, Google Map. Yeah. A quick way of memorizing the names of 7 states of UAE, as mentioned in my recent video, is abbreviation for FARSUDA or FARSUDA or FARSUDA or FARSUDA. So this is the right answer. Thank you.